guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Anaconda watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install Anaconda Navigator in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. So first thing, we have to download the Anaconda Navigator. So let's directly go to official site of Anaconda, and there we are going to download the Anaconda in Windows 10 or 11, so whatever desktop or OS you are using. So let's click on download now, and it will directly redirect to a download page, and there it's asking me to skip the registration. So we have one button here, just click on skip, and it will allow us to download this. So you can download this Anaconda Navigator for 3.2 Python 3.2 version. So you can directly click on this. You can directly choose a specific Python version, or directly you can select on the download button. So it will download the exe file for installing Anaconda in your system, and it may take little time based on your, so it's around 1 GB, I can say 900 MB. So based on the internet speed, it will take time for you. So for me, I have good internet speed, so it's taking around 1 or 2 minutes. So we can wait for this till that it's downloading. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates, and share with the friends who wants to learn this kind of tutorials and codings. So the exe file is now downloaded. Now we'll click on this, directly it will open us, and it will allow us to install this in our system. So let's click on open, and once it's downloaded, we are going to install this Anaconda in our system. So it will open us the UI, where we'll select the path and all, everything, the installation part we are going to install. If you don't know how to install Python in Windows and as well as you want to, please check out this video. I have already uploaded video for this, so you can check out this video. I will provide the link in description box. You can check out from there also. So the installer is now getting loaded, and it will take a little time because it's verifying the installer, and once it's done, we are going to continue with the installation part. So let's click on next, and I agree, just for me or all users. So I will just click on all users, and if we have any user privilege system, like if you're working in a company and you don't have system admin access, then you can go for just for me. This will be okay for you, and no need of any privilege. And yes, space required 5 GB, and I have this much space available. So I will click on next, and I don't want to the Python 3.0 recommended all users to VS Code PyCharm. Okay, so I can select on this register Anaconda as a system. So I just don't want to register this, so just simply click on install, and it will install the Anaconda in your system. So finally the installation has been completed in our system. So let's click on next, and everything will be ready. Let's click on next, launch Anaconda Navigator, right? So I will click on this one and then click on finish. It will open the Anaconda in our system, and we can verify. So you can launch or install this like PyCharm, you can install from here also. Anaconda AI Navigator, a lot of things are here. You can directly open it, any of them, and you can start working on. So notebook is there, you can open or launch notebook in system. iStudio also there, so you can open this one, and self prompt, a lot of things are there. Spyder is also there. So a lot of tools you are getting directly here. So it's very easy to open the things from here, and you can create the environments. Base environment, you will create a number of environment, and you can connect with that environment, and you can work on that. So that's all for today's video, and successfully we are able to install Anaconda in our system. I know it took a little time, but it's very easy, and you need to follow the installation tutorial. So thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in this video with new content. Till that, bye and happy installation.